Right, this is Hot Stocks. Myself and Wayne Mccurrie from Ashburton, busy talking here about the whole matter of oil companies. And next is Sasol. We're going to look at the share price in a minute, but it's the South African company. Everybody knows what they do. They manufacture liquid fuels from coal and gas inputs here in this country. They're developing an enormous new facility in Lake Charles in southern United States on the Gulf of Mexico. That is a big technical challenge and a risk for them. The market cap is 257.5 billion rands. Rands. Price earnings ratio is 11.23, dividend yield of 3.19%. The share chart looks like what you'd expect. It goes up and everybody's having a fine time, but then it goes into the hammer blow with oil prices, and since then it's like a razor blade, no, what is that, a hacksaw blade there on the right.
Now look, I mean, you had oil going to 150 in 2008, then 30, then 110, then 30, now 50.
Yeah.
Okay, but the big swing factor here in Sasol is this Lake Charles story. They didn't do that well.
Well, you mean they didn't anticipate how expensive it would be, which is a typical problem.
Which is a normal problem, and how long it's going to take.
And
of course, they can't anticipate the price falling.
Yeah.
But that's life. That's
what they said is the price of transport fuels remains fairly high, and their input cost, natural gas, dead low. So but it's sort of got a bit...
Yeah, it's squashed a bit.
Yeah.
And of course, it's taken a lot longer to come on stream, and it's cost significantly more. But it seems under control now. I mean, they did the same with Oryx. I mean, it took forever to come on, way over budget, but they're actually making money out of it.
Although they have a reputation for being better at getting projects done on time than most.
Other people, And the South African operations are actually doing quite well.
Yeah, no,
they're doing well.
True. That's a cash spigot. The Synfuels business has always been an absolutely wonderful
And they've got
business.
this technology which they're going to use. I mean, they're still obviously very bullish about the Lake Charles story and the access they got to the gas and all of these things. But it only starts giving you money in 2021 or 2022. So it's a long time till that
Plus
actually
they could also do the extra
influences.
bit in Lake Charles to add the actual conversion to liquid fuels. At this stage, it's more of a standard chemicals cracker.
So that could help, but that's a little bit into the future. So right now with Sasol sitting right here today, it's the oil price.
Because at the same time, Sasol was always criticized for being, you know, an interesting company with great technology, but it's located in Africa. And it's now it's going to be a global player.
It's a big global player.
So you've just maybe got to take the long view on this one, but it would be helpful.
But you've got to take the long view in the oil price, because it's still subject to the variation and vagaries of the oil price. So it is, in essence, not that dissimilar to the other companies we spoke about, except for one thing. It's 1/3 the rating on the market.
Yes, that's an important point. Did you see that? Did you notice that at an 11.23
significantly lower price? And it's making money at these levels, make no mistake. And the big capex on Lake Charles is by and large behind them. Look, they've got the refinancing of the BEE deal, that at least they're not issuing shares anymore to refinance it, but they're going to take on debt to refinance it. But they've got access to fairly cheap debt overseas. So, you know, it's lovely to have BEE and share schemes as long as your share price goes up.
Yes.
But you can see from the share price it hasn't. So
and that's at a cost for existing shareholders, because otherwise you might argue the share price would have been higher. Okay, but hot or not?
I'll go hot, yes.
You're hot on it right now?
Yeah, I'll go with it. Seems keeping on.
I'm going to say let's wait another 3 months and we'll discuss them again, and then we'll see how we feel. But I do buy the argument that they're over the hump in terms of the project and things are starting to look up better.